Seeing reality, it is touching the truth.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you my homemade model Airbus A380 Emirates. So, this pretty much took me a while to make. 3 days, not 3 days exact, but 7+ hours or less in one day of those 3 days or more. I don't know. I don't really count the time when I'm making this. I just make it, yeah. So first, you can see here the front cockpit windows. The 4 Rolls-Royce Trent 900. The nose landing gear, which I painted black. Here at the side, you can see the Emirates lettering, or the word Emirates, with the Arabic thingy. I don't really remember this. I'm so sorry if I don't know, but yeah, whatever. And also here you can see the tail logo and the right ailerons. I mean left ailerons. Also I also added this thing. I don't know what it's called, but yeah, that thingy over there at the corner, the very edge of the wing. Moving on to the back, well, nothing pretty much here. Also painted the very edge of the tail with silver, so it would be a little bit more realistic. And here at the side, as you can tell, this one over here, the lettering is a lot better than the one at the other side. Yes, I know that. I don't know why. I got lazy when I was trying to draw the other side. Yeah. I know there's some few missing detail that I have supposed to add, like the logo of Emirates over here, the 2 engines. Also over here at the very edge of the wing, there's supposed to be another logo. I couldn't do it, it's too small. I don't even know how to do the bigger part of it, or the bigger drawing scale of it. Yeah. So, of course, I did not forget the bottom of this aircraft, which has the Emirates logo. Hold on, here it is. I did not forget the logo, the Emirates lettering over here, because it's actually really cool to see this when it's flying. I live in Manila. There's no A380s that lands here. Well, there is once back in 2014 of October. An Emirates A380 landed here for passengers purpose. So there is actually, the A380 is actually normal here in Manila, but they're only here for maintenance. Like, the only airline that goes here for maintenance is British Airways, Lufthansa, I guess, Louisiana, Korean Air, and I think that's pretty much it. Nothing more. Because Emirates does not go here for maintenance because they have their own back in Dubai International Airport. So yeah, this is the A380. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Actually, keep safe, and bye.
You know I'm gonna get